Every day, your liver quietly works overtime, filtering your blood, neutralizing toxins, and helping your body stay balanced. But what if I told you that a simple plate of vegetables could give this hardworking organ a super boost? Meet the cruciferous family: broccoli, cabbage, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and collard greens. They may look humble on your plate, but inside them lies one of nature's most powerful liver healing secrets. Nutritional breakdown. Cruciferous vegetables belong to the Brassicaceae family, a group known for their distinct earthy aroma and peppery bite. Nutritionally, they are low in calories but rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate. They also provide essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese, nutrients that keep blood chemistry balanced and assist in enzyme production. However, the true magic comes from their sulfur-containing compounds, notably glucosinolates, which break down into isothiocyanates and indole-3-carbinol during chewing and digestion. These phytochemicals are the liver's favorite allies, acting like microscopic cleaning crews inside your body. Broccoli, for example, is particularly rich in sulforaphane, a molecule proven in numerous studies to trigger the body's internal detoxification system. Kale adds chlorophyll, which helps bind toxins for easy removal. Cabbage brings antioxidant anthocyanins, and Brussels sprouts deliver vitamin K that supports liver tissue repair. Scientific explanation of liver benefits. When the liver processes toxins, from alcohol, pollutants, or medications, it generates free radicals that can damage liver cells. Cruciferous vegetables help neutralize these by stimulating phase 2 detoxification enzymes such as glutathione S-transferase and UDP-glucuronidyltransferase. These enzymes convert harmful chemicals into harmless water-soluble forms that the body can safely excrete through urine or bile. Another fascinating effect. Compounds in cruciferous veggies increase the liver's production of glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. Glutathione repairs cell membranes, regenerates antioxidants like vitamin C, and guards the mitochondria of liver cells. Clinical research shows that individuals who consume broccoli or Brussels sprouts regularly have lower levels of liver fat, reduced ALT and AST enzymes, markers of liver inflammation, and improved bile flow, which aids digestion and detox. For those with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, cruciferous vegetables appear to reduce fat accumulation and slow fibrosis progression, essentially helping the liver heal itself. How liver helps in healing, regeneration, and fat reversal. Think of your liver like a sponge. When overloaded with fat and toxins, it becomes stiff and less efficient. Cruciferous vegetables act as gentle wringers, helping it release that excess burden. Broccoli sprouts increase enzymes that clear out stored toxins. Cabbage juice has been used in traditional medicine to soothe the digestive tract and liver inflammation. Kale helps balance cholesterol and fat metabolism, ensuring fat does not accumulate within liver cells. Cauliflower, with its choline content, prevents fatty buildup while aiding regeneration. Their high fiber content also supports the gut-liver axis by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut means fewer toxins leaking into the liver, a connection scientists now recognize as vital for liver recovery. Here's how to make cruciferous vegetables part of your daily life. Lightly steam or sauté rather than boil. This preserves sulforaphane and vitamins. Combine broccoli and garlic. Garlic's sulfur compounds enhance broccoli's detox powers. Blend kale or cabbage leaves into smoothies with pineapple or apple for a refreshing liver tonic drink. Make stir-fries with olive oil, onions, and a pinch of turmeric for a triple detox combo. If possible, add fermented cabbage, sauerkraut. The probiotics strengthen gut health and support the liver. Aim for at least one serving, about 1 cup, of cruciferous vegetables per day. Variety is key. Rotate broccoli, kale, and cabbage through your week. Warnings, myths, and quick tips. Some people worry that cruciferous vegetables affect thyroid function due to goitrogens. In reality, you'd need to eat extremely large amounts raw to cause any issue, and light cooking easily deactivates those compounds. If you're on blood-thinning medication, be mindful of kale and spinach's high vitamin K content. Consult your doctor for guidance. To enhance nutrient absorption, pair these vegetables with a small amount of healthy fat, like avocado or olive oil. And remember, the fresher, the better. Store them loosely wrapped in your refrigerator and eat within a few days. In every serving of broccoli or kale, you're not just feeding your body, you're giving your liver a second chance. These vegetables awaken enzymes, flush out toxins, and ignite the natural process of liver cell regeneration. They are simple, affordable, and profoundly powerful. Think of them as green guardians quietly working to rebuild your body from within.